Alright, so today we're looking at a new ransomware Trojan that just came out, and it's pretty mean to your system, but once you know where it is, it's pretty easy to remove. So we'll just run this exe.exe file, and we'll go ahead and have Task Manager open. Now there's a process called mspro32.scr. Of course, that's screensaver, so just in case if you didn't know that. And in about a minute here, we should see something in this lower right corner. Alright, so now we've got this ransomware on our computer. Task Manager just killed itself, so that's gone. And from what I've heard, this translation is saying that no, this really isn't a virus, and this isn't blocking Task Manager, etc. Wants me to go through some sort of billing program at moplata.info and send premium SMS. So it's either we do that or we won't be able to use our computer. And as we can see, Task Manager is pretty much disabled. If we try opening up Internet Explorer, that should be disabled as well. Doesn't seem to be showing it. Let's try Chrome. And it kills Chrome. And if you noticed, the file name was mspro32.scr. So to find that, all we have to do is a search. But I already searched for it, and I know where it's at. It's going to be in C, Documents and Settings, All Users, this new folder called tempdir, and we've got three files. We've got an mspro32.scr, we've got two batch files. In this first batch file, that's rdb.bat, go ahead and make this zone identifier, whatever that is, and start.bat will just run this at startup. And if we go ahead and reboot, we'll go ahead and see this thing pop up. Alright, so on reboot it goes ahead and loads itself just as planned, but there's still a command window open. This is because these guys are too lazy to add a line to their batch file to close any command prompt windows. And another lazy thing is that they're using start.bat and running that at startup. Instead of doing, the logical thing would be to run the mspro32.scr file at startup. So let's go ahead and remove it. Go to, like I said, C, Documents and Settings, All Users, tempdir. Just go ahead and you can either delete them all or edit the start.bat and then delete it on reboot. Let's see if we can delete them all in one shot. And of course, since it's running, it's not going to let us delete this SCR file. But clearing those batch files, you will see that this thing won't pop up. If we do another restart, alright, so on reboot you will see that the mspro32 file is not running because the batch files are gone, and we should be able to go over and delete them. So we'll just go back to C, Documents and Settings, All Users, tempdir, just delete it, and there you go. So yeah, that's some pretty lazy ransomware.